Park brake maintenance mode is a safety feature in Ford, Chevy, and GMC vehicles with electronic parking brakes, or EPBs. It activates when the system detects an issue, such as low battery voltage, faulty sensors, or the need for brake pad replacement. When activated, it locks the brake to prevent unintended movement and displays warnings like "Park brake maintenance" on the dashboard. Common triggers include low battery below 12 volts, corrosion in wiring, or aftermarket modifications. It's a protective measure, not a system failure. The good news is that many issues can be resolved with a simple reset. The reset procedure varies by model, but here are general steps. First, ensure the vehicle is in park with the engine off. Second, cycle the ignition to run mode. Third, depress the brake pedal and follow any on-screen prompts. For Ford models like the F-150, Explorer, and Mustang, navigate to the sync screen, go to Settings, Vehicle, Parking Brake, and select Reset. Alternatively, use the Ford Pass app for a remote reset. The Ford Pass app allows remote resets. For Chevy and GMC models like Silverado, Tahoe, and Yukon, access the Driver Information Center, go to Vehicle, Parking Brake, Service Mode, and select Off. Alternatively, use the My Chevrolet app for a remote reset. If the brake doesn't release after attempting a reset, seek professional help to avoid accidents.